Today is Sunday, October 12th. I'm out here working in the rain, but it's all right. I had a customer that needed a dumpster today. He wanted a 12-yard dumpster. So I had to come pick it up, so I decided to go ahead and let everybody know what my prices is. This right here is a 12-yard dumpster. It ran out for $275. Let me see, it's 7 feet wide, 12 feet long, and about 4 feet tall. These are the 12 yards we have for $275. Then we got the 15 yards over here. Bigger. I say these right here about 4 truckloads. And right here, about 6 truckloads for the 15 yard. As you can see, the 15 yard is just a little bit bigger than the 12 yard, probably like a foot taller. But these right here, they run $300 for a week rental. And like I said, they're 12 feet long, 7 feet wide, and this one right here is around about 5 feet tall. Like I say, usually I do a week rental on all my dumpsters. And over here, we have 18-yard dumpster. And I say this probably hold about 8 truckloads right here. And we rent these out for a week for $375. And usually a dumpster like this, it good for like a bedroom, something like that, maybe a little bit more. But I rent these out at $325 a week. But I have all the information on my website. And over here, as you see, I got my 21-yard dumpsters. And these over here, they rent out for $375 a week. Oh, I forgot to tell you. 12 yard come with a ton. 12 yard come with a first free ton. Same thing over here with the 15 yard. They come with a free ton. But the 18 yards over here, they come with 2 free tons. And my 20 yards over here, they come with what else? 6 tons for these. But they rent out at $375 for a week. As you can see, I got several in right now. I think I got about 8 on me in right now. And then, not last and least, way in the corner, I got one left. These are my 25-yard dumpsters. I got 7 of them, but they all on rent out beside this one right here. But this one going out tomorrow, so that's why I decided to make this video. And this dumpster right here, this is my 25-yard dumpster, and it's like 7 feet wide, 12 feet long. Nope, my fault. It's 7 feet wide, 16 feet long. Cause my 21-yard and my 25-yard dumpster, both of them are 16 feet long. And I say this one's 7 feet wide, 16 feet long, and like 25, like 6 feet tall. I say this is my 25-yard dumpster, but most of the time when you have a lot of stuff like 2-3 bedrooms of stuff, this is what they usually rent out. And this one right here run at $425 right here. And it come with 6 tons, not 6 tons, my fault, 3 tons, which is equal to 6,000 pounds. Yep. This one my 21-yard dumpster. Like I say, this one's 7 feet wide, 16 feet long, and like 5 feet tall. But this is my most popular dumpster right here, where most people rent. It's 21 yard, because most of the time you can get a lot of stuff in here if you pack it right. What? That's a rundown of all the dumpsters I have, the different sizes and the price on them. And like I say, you can go ahead and call up anybody else and compare to my price. I guarantee you'll call me back. If you need to get in contact with me, you can call this number right here, or you can go to the website and order over the website. And usually we can have there the same day most of the time, but you're gonna have to at least put your order in by 1 o'clock. If your order not in by 1 o'clock, it's no guarantee I get it that day, but I will get it the next day.